What is up, everybody? This is FNH News Reviews and Thursday with a brand new video to talk about how I made $400 in less than 30 minutes on eBay. So, stick right into this video and you shall see how you can make it. So I'm gonna actually jump right into it, not gonna start with no BS intro or outro or whatever. So basically what I did is, and this is an interesting feature that I want you guys to do as well, and I'm giving you a live example of what I did on how I did it and whatnot. Essentially all I did was, there's a lot of, and this is one example, I know, and I'm sure actually not a lot of people may know, a lot of people purchase limited edition items that they probably don't even need, or even if they do need, they can obviously sell eventually. And this one was a great example. People purchase shoes like the Yeezys, they buy it for 200. You can get it on the Adidas app. I've gotten those before as well. People purchase game limited editions such as this, clothes, all these items, tickets, like all these different things. And the thing is, people think it's so hard to get them. If you actually do your research and you know when it's coming out and you purchase it, just pre-order it, because you can always get the pre-order for it. But then once you get it, you will be surprised on how much you can sell it for and how fast you can sell it for. And I'm going to actually say I sold it much faster than others, and I actually sold it at a lower price, hence why it was faster. So I actually I pre-ordered, and I was going to do more, but I was a little bit iffy, because I'm like, I don't know what the supply is. I obviously messed up, but because a few factors kicked in. I purchased Kingdom Hearts 3 PS4 Pro Limited Edition from GameStop. This is not the Japanese version, this is a US version of it that Sony had to deal with GameStop only, or Square Enix I should say, well, I guess both of them, and they were selling them. So two things came into my factor. One, there was a very limited supply, which is good because it was a limited edition. Two, GameStop messed up and oversold the limited editions and started canceling it, so it turned even more scarce. I was going to sell it for $700 and make about $250-$200 profit, but I ended up making $400 literally less than 30 minutes after I posted it. And I'm going to show you exactly like what I did, how I bought it, posted it, and whatnot, all the crazy things. Once this got announced, again, the way you need to be in the loop for it, there are websites, which I'll leave in the description below. But for me, this one, I was keeping on track on Facebook. I follow like 10 pages, gaming pages, and I was waiting for them to just drop something like this, and they did. First it was Sony itself saying, the PlayStation blog, like, hey, you can get this from GameStop, you can get the PS4 Pro Edition. I couldn't find it anywhere. Everyone was commenting, crying, like, where is it? You didn't leave a link. Then I did some research. I was like, okay, it's GameStop. Went to their website, boom, bought it right there and then. Again, I could have purchased more, I just did not, because I was like, I don't know, it's telling me to buy more than one. That's weird, because usually you can't, so maybe it's not as limited as people are stating it to be. Then anyways, bought it. You do have to wait that time frame. Again, this was a longer time frame, but normally, well, 10 plus years. No, I didn't buy it 10 years ago. Just making joke with Kingdom Hearts. But in general, there is like that time frame, but in that meantime, you keep looking for these items and purchasing them, because like right now, there's also a Devil May Cry edition that sold out as well. There was Fallout 76. Different story. That game sucked, but there was Fallout 76 also. I remember I purchased Fallout 4 limited edition. I remember after I actually bought it for myself, and after I beat the game, I still sold it for more than what I bought it for, and it was used. The newer ones, I would have made even a bigger profit if I obviously sold it as brand new, but I actually wanted the game. So this one, I have the limited, I bought the limited edition CD for 80, and I'm playing that. I'm fine with that. I didn't want the Pro. I have a PS4 Pro, so I was like, hey, I can make a quick buck on it. Why not? And again, I made it, and I'm going to show you the price and when I put it. So this is the email chain that shows when I listed it. So you can see I listed it for $850, and you can even see the time here at 8:01 p.m. That's when I listed it on January 31st. GameStop shipped it 2 days later. I could have paid more to ship it earlier, but I was like, I'm not going to. I'm trying to make as much as money on this possible, and I know people are going to be crazy. Even 2 days after, they will still purchase this. And you can see when I was paid, $829. That's less than 30 minutes, guys. That's less than 30 minutes. I made $400. Again, the prices for this were going for 1,000 plus. I was trying to make a quick buck. I was trying to do it much faster, so I sold it for $850. I'm positive I could have sold it for $950, maybe even $1,000 if I actually wanted to. People are gonna send you like, custom offers. You can either turn it off, because I had it on for some reason at 700, and people said 700. I'm like, screw you, dude. I just turned it off, and I got it like at 850. Someone bought it right there. This person bought it, as you can see, and I only had 41 page views in that time frame. I didn't promote it. I didn't give any money to eBay. I did nothing. And boom, it got sold right there and then. So guys, this is my, like, basically this is one of the best ways you can make money, like scalping. I know this kind of sucks. You might hate scalpers. I hate scalpers. Trust me. Like the PlayStation 4, what was it? The 5-year edition or the 500 million edition? I really wanted that. You do not understand how badly I wanted it, and I think they made it go live at 3 a.m. in the freaking morning, like on Amazon and other websites. And I'm like, yo, screw you! I'm asleep at that time. Why the hell would you do that? And I missed it. Then people were selling for like thousands of dollars. I'm like, screw you! I'm not doing that. I wouldn't pay that 850 to buy. But again, people are crazy fans. People would, and people did. Obviously, as you can see, this got paid. This got sold. It's currently in shipment. The buyer should have it soon. Hopefully that person enjoys it and has fun. I have the game already. It's extremely fun and enjoyable. Might make a review video on that as well. But this is one of my tricks. And again, I have a lot of videos like this I'm going to make in the future. I'm going to show you guys how to make like other items, like Craigslist items, how to go from like the Gary Vee model. I might make a video on that. How he says you can get free stuff and then sell it on eBay, or how he says you can buy something on eBay and sell it on Amazon. I might even do that for you guys just to show you like, hey, it's BS, or hey, this actually works. You can actually make $1 profit per item, which is fairly good. Or again, it always sounds easy, but how long does it truly take? I will even give a time frame. Like, hey, is it worth it? You're making $1 profit, good, but you're selling one a month. Is that worth it? You're only making $1 a month. Stuff like that. So obviously, I'll make all those different videos as well. But I wanted to show you this is possible. You can make money. Again, some people are tight on cash. Some people need to pay bills. That 400 would have came in handy for a lot of people. For me, I did it for fun. This was more of, hey, why not extra cash? I could just mess around with it, and boom, I can make a video for you guys as well. So this was the whole purpose. Again, I will try to always try to make something like this to show you. Quick cash, hard-earned cash, there's always different ways. You've seen me make other videos as well where you can use PTC websites, ad websites to make money, Amazon affiliate marketing, Thomas and free items reviewing, YouTube itself, you can make money there. All these different venues, you should always be having your like horizons expanded, because like from those places to make money. So that was it, guys. This was my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was informative, and I hope it helped you, because again, there are different things you can always go for. You don't even need to know what that market is, honestly. You don't even have to be a gamer. You just gotta know, be in the loop. Like, you can choose a specific niche or many niches and go from there. It could have been shoes, Yeezys. It could have been this, games, PlayStation editions, Xbox editions, like all those different ones that are limited. Like the Spider-Man one was selling for $700, $800. Same thing. You can always get into this specific niche and then try to go for it. Just do your research and you should be fine. But yeah, overall, I hope you liked the video and give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. And again, if you have any comments, questions, concerns, you want to kill me, you want to hate on me, you want to say I did something wrong or I said something wrong, let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to get back to you. And other than that, FNH out. Peace.